I want all the little imperfection thingies. Because it just shows that these things last forever. I really don't know what quantities I'm supposed to, use. So we're just gonna take a guess. So that should be easy to recreate, right? It's just like half and half. And wait a minute. You know what? Ooh. I'm gonna wipe some of this rust out of it. So I'm pretty sure after you season it and all that stuff, you're not supposed to be scrubbing with soap and all that good stuff. But we just in the cleaning part right now. Now, the reason this one is rusty like that is it had like caked up food on it and stuff like that. So I'll put it in the oven on like 500 degrees for a few hours till that stuff came off of there. You know what I'm saying? And then when it cooled off, it had rust all over it. But this isn't some real bad rust. This might be like what might happen if you use it and then you don't dry it properly and stuff like that, you know? By George, there we go. I think we've made some improvements. The different things on the bottom, you can tell how old it is, and some of them had a little notch for wood stoves. It's a lot. Oh, wow. So, look at that. Oh, this would be better. See, that's almost good to go right there. But it's not. So, here we go with the vinegar. I'm gonna see how they do. I'm gonna leave it for like 30 minutes. So the vinegar been in there for maybe 2 hours now. So I'm gonna pour this into this skillet. Now let's look at the inside of this right quick. So, well, hopefully that right there is gonna rub right on off or whatever, you know. Maybe I should do that right quick, huh? Okay, so I think this came out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead. You see, like it's just a few little spots that don't look all the way black the way you want it, but the inside of that thing, that's it. So I'm gonna do that a couple more times, right? And I'm also gonna get that other skillet and I'm gonna put it on the stove and just let it go until it gets hot and burns everything off, because this one started off looking worse than the other one. We got the skillets out the oven. They can cool down. Make sure you wait till these things cool down, you know. But looking much better. I'm gonna give y'all that zoom around product review kind of thing. Let's see. Now, I'm not quite exactly sure what those numbers are, but this is the large USA 10 SK. I know 10 is the size, and SK just means skillet. So if this was a Dutch oven, it would have a different number there. But that's it, guys. So, yeah, now you know. Don't get rid of that cast iron. As long as it's ringing. You hear that? Hold up. I guess that means it's not cracked or something. I wouldn't know how it sounds if it is cracked, but these are ringing. Listen. Hey, I'll see y'all next time.